What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in my room today and I'm telling you how to make an easy money and how to go through the void portal and stuff. Okay. One sec! Okay. So what you want to do is, so here's a void portal. I don't know where you can get it from, but I got it from these markets. You get it from doing your quest, and I'll show you where you get these markets. So if you want to go in the void portal, you have to kill all the enemies, and then there'll be a little line. So what you want to do from there, and when you complete all the enemies and get to level 5, there's going to be a chest that drops down. Then once you collect that, you want to kill yourself. And then you want to come all the way back to the markets and sell them for XP, and they're worth a lot. Right now I have 15,000. Last time I think I had 3K, and now I have more than way more than that. So let's see. So in your skill points, you go into skills. When you press B, here are all the skill points. So here, I would recommend by getting here, let's see, that first, and then you can keep on placing fish traps. And probably that to get an island. And then if you go up there, that's a market. Well, see you guys in the next video. Bye.